All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I greatly appreciate that. So today, working on a whole bunch of different things again, working in the third floor elevator mechanical room, hooked up the transformer. They got in the elevator people got in the chair lugs, so we bolted those onto the like knife plates or whatever you want to call those. Hooked all those wires up, re-pulled in the wire, switched it from a size 10 THHN to a size 8 THHN. That's what the boss wanted to do, so we changed it. Maybe he wanted some more power or strength for the wire. So anyways, re-pulled the wire through the flex, landed the brown, orange, yellow, and ground in the elevator box right there, and tested that all out. So check the power. It goes from 230 or whatnot to 460 about, and then also swap that 2-pole breaker again, like I did yesterday. And then from there we moved on to moving outside the elevator mechanical room to blow another hole through the top concrete right here and put in a 1/2-inch conduit for the low voltage, either phone line or fire alarm or something like that. So it just popped a hole in that 12 by 12 and then popped a hole in the concrete to get into the building or into the wall. And then from there moved on to the next one, which is going to be camera wire. So it just popped into the other junction box from the camera location, and that was in 3/4 pipe. And then this piping out of the PVC, transferring to EMT, and beginning to strap that up the wall. Got 2 of those done, and then ran out of the day here. So one's 90 out to the side, and then that should do it, and I'll match that third one tomorrow. And then lastly, this was from yesterday, but added a light in the ceiling and then ran an extension cord down to that and plugged it in. So don't have that clip for you today, but that's also one other thing I did. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It really helped the channel out, and I'd appreciate it. Also, drop a comment if you got any questions or if you just want to help the channel grow. Anyways, check the description for anything else and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much for the support. You guys mean the world to me. I got like 18 or 19 subscribers yesterday in one day, which might be one of my highest ever without the shout out of Street Speed 717. But anyways, that'll do it, guys. Thanks so much. I love you guys. You guys are the best. God bless. See you next time. Peace. See you tomorrow.